Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Yung katabing building kung saan ka nag-invest. Imagine ito yung building na in-invest mo, and there's the other building just beside it. And this is just 5 years ago lang. Is what we call priority project ng company, ng developers. Ibig sabihin, ito yung mga hindi pwedeng i-delay ng developers. Okay? Very important yan. Pansin po ba ng lahat? Baka meron na po mga investment ang iba. Yung ibang projects na na-invest nyo, delay pa rin. Hindi pa rin na-deliver. Bakit? Because it is not in the priority list ng developer. Meron silang option to delay it. Kasi may uunahin sila ng ibang project. Nakuha po ng lahat. Bakit napaka-importante? What we need to select is priority projects. Okay? Now, if we will be selecting a priority project, we need to make sure that the market has a very high demand. And imagine with a very low supply. And the most, ikaw lang ang magsusupply. So nakuha po natin, ganun kahirap mag-select ng assets. So, from the list, we were able to select sino ba ang mga taga-Laguna? Imagine, we were able to select UPLB, University of the Philippines, Los Baños. So, bakit si UP ang naselect natin for this program? Bakit UPLB ang napili natin for our negosyo? Number one, again, kung tayo ay magne-negosyo, syempre hahanapin natin is kung saan tayo kikita, kung saan yung may malaking market. And the situation in UPLB is they have a very high volume of students and workers. So, it is at 13,000 ang students and faculty members nasa 5,000. So, that's 18,000 strong. And alam po ba natin kung anong problema dyan sa UPLB? Walang matiran. There's no quality residential. Plus, kulang. Kopo natin, most of the residential in UPLB are the normal traditional houses, boarding house, bed space, building, apartment, that's it. Wala na. So, bakit magiging special yung magiging negosyo natin asset na i-invest dito? Because, for the first time, imagine for the first time, dito sa UPLB, the local government finally approved the very first condominium in UPLB. So, again, the very first condominium in UPLB. So why will it be special as a business? Because, again, as a condominium, ang laki ng diferensya doon sa traditional houses, boarding house apartment, and mga building. Why? One main reason is high security. So the parents, ang gusto nila sa mga anak nila is a compound with high security. Okay? Now, next is most of the students in UPLB right now, mayayaman na. Malalaki ang sasakyan. Walang parkingan. Ibig sabihin, students, faculty members, workers there are looking for residential places where they can have safe quality parking spaces. Our project is 3 hectares big. 3 hektarya, ganun kalaki. So we have quality parking. So yun yung mga rason. Diyan sa UPLB, nasa 20-25,000 na ang renta ng mga good quality na dyan na apartments. So, bakit pagkaguluhan ang ating negosyo na condominium? Is because we have amenities. Imagine, for the same price on the traditional houses, apartments, what they don't have is swimming pool, fitness gym, study hall, game room, clubhouse, playground, pet park, pocket garden, jogging pad, roof deck, events pavilion, and we will have our own shuttle service from our project and our investment to UP. Imagine, ako po natin, bakit siya pagkakagawan? Because of the amenities. Yun ang wala sa traditional. And imagine, we are the very first condo project with amenities, high security, and parking. So nakita na po ng lahat kung what is the big potential on this kind of business. Doon pa lang magse-secure tayo ang first priority to be selected kung sila yan ay titira. So, now, the location of our project is again from the gate of the Open University side. Lalabas ka lang sa National Road, 2 minutes lang pag kanan mo, paglampas kay City Mall and Jollibee, andun na tayo sa negosyo natin. Ganun kalapit siya. And it's already in the highway. So pagbaba ng bus, andun na sa project natin. Hindi yan looban. So that is the difference, and that is how good the location is. Now, imagine, if we will be talking about now the project itself, our project has 5 buildings. Okay? Building 1, building 2, building 3 is 7 floors lang. So yung 3 building natin ay 7 floors only. Then we have building 4 and building 5, that is 14 and 14. Pero matagal pa po yan. So, in the next 4 years, ang masusututay lang is 3 buildings only. Building 1, building 2, and building 3. Imagine for 4 years in a making, 3 building lang. 3 buildings only will be delivered. Imagine in 4 years. So what is that significant value na yan kung bakit ko share sa inyo? Because, imagine nyo na lang, building 1, building 2, building 3, after 4 years, 483 units lang ang madedeliver. So nakuha natin, 483 units lang ang madedeliver sa market. And that's 4 years to make pa. So if we will be talking about the supply and demand, yung sinasabi ko kanina, so from the 483 units, UPLB pa lang, punong-puno na ang units natin. And this value is 2024. After 4 years, imagine UPLB is at 24,000 students and workers na. So, ibig sabihin, kulang ang 483. Nakuha ko ng lahat, ganyan yung negosyo na hinahanap natin. Yung kulang yung isusupply sa laki ng market. At hindi pa po natin pinag-uusapan ang other universities, utilities, a milyar. Even the maintenance and repair. Yan po yung pwede namin ma-support kahit hindi ka taga Laguna. So, that is one confirmation of why we can be confident sa masiselect natin. So, this is your business right now. Imagine, pwede po yan pang dalawang estudyante or pwede siyang pang apat. Kuha natin, nakita natin ang ating negosyo. So, kung gusto lang po natin naman na ang mga pang-foreigners, meron po silang mas pinaprefer loft time. So that is our business. Now, tanong, sa tingin po ba natin, ngayon 2024, kakayanin pa po ba natin ang presyo ng mga properties katulad nung pinag-usapan natin kanina? Tama? So, ready na po ba ang lahat kung para malaman kung ano yung mismong detalye ng tamang timing dito sa UPLB? So, isi-share ko po siya. Kain po muna tayo. Sir Dante, Doc Dennis, ready na po ba ang food? Pakainin po muna natin sila. So, imagine, for the first year, nakapagbayad ka ng 594 per month to start. So, sanay ka na. Ibig sabihin, nakapag-practice ka na. Ibig sabihin, nakapag-adapt ka na, na-adjust mo na yung finances mo sa 594 Saudi Riyals per month. Natapos ang 1 year, susunod na yung second year. Magkano na ang susunod? Magiging 821. Malaki iba ang 821